Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Seeds. So today's video I'm going to show you the African village berries, so stay connected as I bring you more. So guys, these trees you see are naturally found in the valleys. For us, in our language, we call them emisha, and they are normally cut down to be used as building poles for temporary houses, like the one for the chicken or the kitchen where to cook from. So I will also once come and take them. I also use them. So guys, here is the swamp. It holds water which we normally use to cook, to wash utensils, and also to give animals. This swamp helps us in rain formation, so once it is cut down, the rain becomes very little in our area. There up we have the trees. They also help to control soil erosion, because since it is a valley, when there is heavy rain, that means that it's going to wash away the soil. So these trees can help in controlling soil erosion. So guys, here is the smaller well, the source of water, where we get water for cooking, for drinking, for bathing, for doing everything. But we are on a high risk of getting water contaminated related diseases, because sometimes the cows come and drink from here. I don't know. I pray to God, once my revenue is hot, I will one day construct a borehole for the family and the whole community, where we can get safe water for drinking. guys, this is African washroom. This is African washroom. So guys, we have reached the end of today's video, touring around the valleys. So kindly put a like on this video so that it can reach to everybody. In case you are new, subscribe to become part of the family, comment and share the video. See you in the next video, and I wish you well.